Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with DocuSign to automate AI contract workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with DocuSign, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type www.docusign.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a new page with options for different plans. Select the plan that suits your needs by clicking on the appropriate option. After choosing a plan, click on the Start Free Trial button if available. A registration form will appear for you to fill out. Enter your first name in the designated field. Next, input your last name in the space provided. Now, enter your email address that you wish to associate with your account. Create a strong password and enter it in the respective field. You may need to confirm your password by typing it again. After filling out the form, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Now, click on the Start Free Trial or Create Account button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from DocuSign. Open the email and click on the confirmation link inside. This action will redirect you to DocuSign's website to finalize your registration. You may be prompted to complete your profile by adding additional details. Fill in any required information, such as company name or address. Once your profile is complete, save your changes. You are now ready to access the DocuSign platform. Log in using your newly created credentials if you are not automatically logged in. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features. To set up automated AI contract workflows, navigate to the Templates section. Create a new template by clicking on the New button. Follow the prompts to upload your contract document. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.